And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I'm back in the building with another video. So, all right, guys, as y'all see from the title, y'all know what this is. So, yeah, I was able to pick these up on Nike. I got a little rant to go with Nike, because when I got this shoe, I was able to hit on it. Then Nike sent me the notification saying my order is going to be shipped, but they never shipped out my shipping information. I didn't get my shipping information until like Thursday or whatever. So these end up coming to my house on Saturday. Normally when I order something from Nike, they actually will have it. They'll give you the shipping notification, that night. Sometimes you'll get it that Saturday or at the latest Sunday. Yeah, I didn't get this till Thursday. So I had to call in to Nike to see what's going on, because I thought they was going to cancel my order. But nope, they didn't do that. I end up getting them. And then Nike just has to get rid of this Just Do It tape. But as we see here, this box doesn't have the Nike thing on it. So I guess, the complaining we're doing is working. But we need to get rid of this tape, Nike. That's not going to cut it. But I don't know if the mice, I don't know where they got this box from. I guess the mice got to it or something, but I got little holes in it. But it is what it is. I got the shoe, and I also have a little mini rant. I'm gonna expose some of y'all bias on this, but y'all already know what these are from the title of the video. Here you go, size 10 personal pair. So I opened these up too. You got your little lot number, and again, Nike did not give me my receipt with these. They did that with these and the Travis Scott 6s. I didn't get my receipt. I don't know what's up with that, but here we go. Wow, we have here the Shatter Backboard 3.0, or black and orange, whatever you want to call them. We have them here, and I had opened these already because I wanted to look, and like I said, it is shiny. I feel like a lot is being made to do about nothing with it. It's really not that bad. Like when you see it in hand, I like them. It's not that bad, man. Like I feel like people were overly critical about it. I mean, it is shiny, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's definitely shiny, but I don't think it's like that crazy or anything. And the quality of these are decent. It's there's definitely better shoes out here, or better Jordan 1s that have come out this year, and even in past years whose quality is better. But I do like the shoe. Like, the more and more I look at it, the more and more I like it. When they first showed them, I won't say I didn't like it. It was just one of those things that if I was able to get it in hand, I just wanted to see it when I got it in hand. But just off the first looks, I didn't really care too much for it. But this colorway is dope. You got your little vanilla bottom. You got your Nike right there. Your little wings logos like embossed in there. So, got your little big laces with the Jumpman joint. So yeah, man, like I definitely like them, but now it's time to expose a little bit of bias, because this shoe sold out, hype around it and things like that, but everybody was critical when they seen pictures of these. They was like, oh, these are trash, but yet they sold out. These sold out, and the quality on them is not, compared to other Jordans, is not all that, but yet y'all let shoes like these and these sit And the quality, or what everyone talks about, oh, they want soft leather. The leather on this is pristine. It's like soft leather. If that's what you're into, you want soft, tumble type leather. This shoe has all this, but yet these set. You can get these for well under retail. Like I actually paid $130 for these off Nike last year in 2018. I actually could have waited and got them cheaper, but I thought that was a good price, so I pulled the trigger on them. But the leather on here is pristine, but these are sitting, and you can get these well under retail. This shoe right here, I got it half off. These were originally $160. I got them for $80 because they sat. But the leather on here, the toe box isn't as plush as that Gatorade one, but this back right here, the quality on this shoe is good. It's really good, but they sat. I don't know if it's colorways or if y'all just, these shoes aren't hype. So I don't know what it is, but it's just exposing bias. Like y'all say y'all want soft leather on Jordans. This is just 2 examples right there where the leather is soft, but those shoes sat. Y'all trashed this shoe, but these sold out. I don't get it. So, you know, like I said, just exposing a little bit of bias there. But with that being said, that's going to conclude this video. I do think these are nice. Like I like them a lot. But, you know, we're going to wrap it up right here. So that's going to conclude this video. If you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out of here, guys. Peace.